Once you've planned your trip and you're ready to depart for an adventure on the rails, it's helpful to know what you can expect on board. Make the most of your time on the train by packing all your travel essentials, which is easy when you're allowed 2 carry-ons and 2 personal items, in addition to checking 2 bags for no extra charge. Bring your devices along and keep them powered with outlets at every seat. Since you won't need to focus on driving, consider bringing a book to relax or a journal to record your thoughts. Games also make perfect onboard entertainment. You can look for a table in the cafe or observation cars. Don't forget to pack the snacks. But if you do, you can always visit the cafe car and browse. And you'll definitely want a phone or camera to capture the incredible views along the way. One great thing about the train is you can get up and move around, something that's especially nice for kids who tend to get bored on road trips. On routes that include an observation car, seating is open to all passengers at no additional charge. There are tables, or you can sit back in a lounge chair and gaze out the floor-to-ceiling windows. The cafe car is always worth a visit with its variety of meals, snacks, and drinks for sale. It's open starting early in the morning for all customers. If you're a sleeper car passenger and ready for something heartier, the dining car is available and your meals are included. When you're not stuck behind the wheel, you can get a lot done between point A and point B. Working on the train is easy and a great option if you want to enjoy your evening without a full inbox hanging over your head. Or focus on your vacation destination without work distractions. Quiet cars are available on many corridor and short-distance trains. On select trains and stations, Wi-Fi is available free of charge and supports general web browsing activities. Take advantage of convenient trays and outlets, and when reserving a seat on an Acela train, check to see if a table is available. And for a pick-me-up, coffee is always available. The only thing better than working on the train is vacation on the train, and for that, there's nothing better than a private room. An Amtrak sleeper car feels like a hotel on wheels, and this unique form of travel ensures you'll arrive at your destination refreshed. You'll have plenty of space and privacy, plus the seats fold into a bed when you're ready to get some serious rest. Your first alcoholic beverage is free. Non-alcoholic beverages, fresh linens, and all meals are included, plus there's even a dedicated attendant for whatever you might need. Available rooms range from roomettes for 2 up to family bedrooms that fit 2 adults and 2 children. Plus, you can reserve accessible bedrooms and more. Now that you know what's waiting on board, come join us on the train and discover an adventurous form of travel that's unlike anything else you've experienced.